This is an institute of Sindhology located in Jamshoro city on the right bank of the Indus River, 150 kilometers northeast from Karachi. Sindhology is a field of study and academic research that covers the history, society, culture and literature of Sindh. The subject was first brought into academic circles with the setting of the Institute of Sindhology in 1964. The Museum of the Institute is the only section which points towards proper maintenance. It showcases historical, archaeological, cultural, traditional and religious aspects of the life in Sindh.
Sindhology means knowledge about Sindh. It's all about Sindh. Here is a lot of galleries. You can see archaeological gallery, painting gallery, Talpur gallery, coins gallery, and a lot of things.
Nearly 125,000 books, 6,000 theses, 1,400 Kalmi Nuskhas, and hundreds of newspapers and other periodicals are available at the library for researchers.
So far as the reference library is concerned, yes, we have probably the most valuable collection on Sindh by way of documents, by way of papers, by way of maps, by way of periodicals and by way of books, and also by way of manuscripts.
But all these historical records are poorly maintained due to lack of funds and staff. The research library faces problems like load shedding and absence of the latest reading material and books.
It needs to feed to grow, and the feeding material is not available here. The kind of funds that are required to put up a museum which should be excellent in the sense that the lighting system is perfect, the display system is perfect, the documentation of a particular object is perfect, the catalog that you have should be perfect, the setting should be perfect. That requires a lot of money, that requires a lot of training, that requires a lot of understanding of the recent development that takes place, which we do not have.
The dismal situation of this Institute of Knowledge and Artifacts calls for concerted efforts and sufficient funds for the maintenance and regular updating of records and artifacts. Qurban Ali Khushk, Dawn News, Jamshoro.